same chain length but function group position different. I have given different examples. Check. Now example like this here. This is given. So now how many position isomers are possible? Positional isomers. You check. You write for these how many position isomers are possible. Okay, Nana. Then how will write here? Tell me. First here we are writing here. So with respect to this, this is ortho para here, ortho meta para. Here para OH is there. Then I can write, carefully observe. Here we can write one structure. One more structure. Like this. We can write it ortho. Okay, na? Now we'll shift to middle one. Middle ring. Here middle ring, how many positions are available? 4. Here you are writing here or here or here or here. All are same. All positions are equal. For example, you are writing at mid here are all these 4 positions are pole positions are same. You write at any one of the position, the answer is only 1. Out of 4, any one is right. Not 4, only 1 is correct answer. ఒకటే ఉంటుంది నాన్న. చూడడానికి 4 అనిపిస్తున్నాయి, బట్ 4 ఇట్లా కాదు, ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్. Answer only 1 is correct. Remaining is not correct, Nana. Not remaining. Here left ring and right ring both are same rings. Left ring and right ring both are same rings. Both are same. That's why whether you are writing on right ring or left ring, both are only one type. Whether you write right or left, that's all. So means here for given compound, other 3, only these 3 isomers are possible. For given compound, only these 3 isomers are possible, Nana. Okay, na? These 3 only possible. Remember that. So they want to give different position. You check answers. Like this given. Here Cl is given. Number of positional isomers. How many? You write all. So you write up to you only given that question. So that is about here position isomers. Next one, functional isomers. Functional isomers. Okay, Nana? Functional isomers. Functional isomers. It's okay. Functional isomers. Right. Now, here compound molecular formula same. Compound molecular formula same, but functional group different. Formula same, but functional group is different, Nana. Function, total function behavior is different. Whenever function behavior different, then the isomers are called as a functional isomers. Okay, na? Example, I will write here. Alkene and cycloalkenes are functionally different. Here both are having the formula CnH2n. If you know the carbon number, will come to know hydrogen number. Based on carbon number, here hydrogen number also known, CnH2n. Kada. So here example, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. This is called as what, Nana? Propylene, propene. Double bond is there. Your function group is double bond. Now we can write this is as CH2, CH2, CH2 like this. CH2, 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 Nana. CH2, CH2, CH2. Here also 3 carbon, number of hydrogen same. But what is the function here? Alkane function. Here alkene function, here En. So En is different from En. That's why these two are called as functionally different. These are functional isomer. Sometimes these are also called as ring chain isomers. Ring chain isomers, nothing but here these are functional only. Why? Because here this is a ring, here this is open chain. This is open chain, Nana, this is a ring. That's why we are writing ring chain isomers. We are writing ring chain. Clearly open chain, ring, different. Ring chain isomers are nothing but functional only, not different, functional only. Now next example, alkynes, alkadienes, cycloalkene, bicyclic. 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 2 rings. Here I will explain nomenclature for bicyclic also. You don't worry. For bicyclic also I will explain. Alkyne means here, you know, triple bond is there. Triple bond is there. That is called as alkyne function. You see here triple bond. That's why this is alkyne function. Diene, 2 double bond. 2 double bond. Here CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. You see here in function, here ine function. Functionally different or not? Yes, functionally different. Alkyne and diene, Nana, 2 ines are there. Double bond is there, you know, diene. Okay, name you can write 1, here 2, 3, 4. Chapandi, tell me. Butadiene, that is 1, 3. Butadiene, name itself is a diene. Here ine function, here ene function, both are different. That's why these two are called as functional isomers, Nana. I can write 1 double bond above example. Whenever 1 double bond is there, equal to 1 ring. 1 double bond is there, equal to 1 ring. Means in place of 1 double bond, I can write like this: cyclic and double bond. You check carbon number, here 2, here carbon number 4, hydrogen number here 2, 4, here 1, 5, here 6. In these cases, carbon number same, hydrogen number same. That's why here ene and here ine, these two are also functionally different. These two are also functionally different. That's why alkyne cycloalkene, I can write here instead of this double bond at diagonally I am writing. This is called as a bicyclic. Two ring. Here Nana 1, here 2. Two rings are there. That's why that is called a bicyclic. And here function group is AN. AN single bond. Means here these two are also different. Okay. These two are also different. So these two are also different. Means carefully observe these all are entrance corners. Not regular intermediate Nana. Entrance point of view we are discussing. Okay na? Now here tell me ine ene. Ine ene. This diene only ene. This ane. All are functionally different. All are functionally different. Therefore these are called as what? Functional isomers. Remember, alkynes are given, you have to write these three. Alkadines are given, you have to write remaining three. Cycloalkenes, alkene are given, you have to write remaining three. Bicyclic is given, you can write like this. Okay? Alkyne, alkadine, cycloalkene, bicyclic Nana. Over. Now next one, alcohols and ethers. Alcohols and ethers, Nana. Alcohol ether, tell me. Here formula CN H2N plus 2O. CN H2N plus 2O. For alcohol and ether formula, that is only. Alcohol or ether formula, this is only alcohol ether formula. Okay, na? No answer, Nana. For example, any alcohol is given CH3, CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol. We can write ether, Nana. If alcohol is given, you can write ether. If ether is given, you can write alcohol. Alcohol is given ether. Ether is given alcohol. Okay? Both are important. Alcohol, ethers are functional different. Remember, if alcohol is given, you can write ether. Ether is given, you can write alcohol. Don't get confusion. So whenever carbon middle oxygen is there, ether. At end OH is there. At any one of the carbon OH is there. Whether end or middle OH is there, that is alcohol. Similar way, here CH3, CH2, CH2OH, propanol. We can write CH3, CH2O, here CH3. Okay, na? Okay. Like this, alcohol ethers. For example, here OCH3, here ether. For this, we can write phenol. This is alcohol derivative. Here ether function is there, here alcohol. Both here aromatic ring is there, Nana. Here aromatic ring is there. You know, OCH3 is there. What is the name? I have given very clearly. Anisole, Nana. Anisole. Whenever OH methyl group is there, what is the name? Cresol. Where the position? Ardocresol. So here anisole and ardocresol. Otherwise, you can take here anisole, ardocresol. Anisole, ardocresol. Now you can take metacresol also. or otherwise you can take paracrysal also. So here for this function group, this is a function group, this is also function group. Anything for any sol, these all are, this is what metacrysal, this is what dana paracrysal, these all are functional isomers only. But among these three are position, ortho meta para position isomers. Orthocrysal, metacrysal, paracrysals are position, but anisole and crysals are what? Functionally different. Functionally different, Nana. Functionally different. Okay. Similar way, here alcohol ether you can write aldehyde, ketones like that. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH1, Nana. So what is the function here? Aldehyde function. Aldehyde. So we can write CH3, CO, CH2, CH3, Nana. What is the form here? Formulas are same. Formula CN, H2NO. CN, H2NO, Nana. Formula. So here aldehyde function, here ketone function, both are different. But I can write one more. What is the function? So here we can shift CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 OH. You see here carbon number same. First compound carbon number, this compound carbon number same, or ketone carbon number, this carbon number same. Here aldehyde function, here ketone, but here what? Double bond means in, OH means whole, in whole, functionally different. Okay, enol. Here aldehyde ketone enols are different. En means double bond, OH means whole. You check first compound, third compound, formula same, but function behavior different, Nana. You know, whenever carbon double bond is there, we can write cyclic na ring chain isomers we discussed. Ring chain. Okay, Nana? Ring chain isomers. Ring chain, okay? Now cyclic OH, here in function, here en function. Here this is a cyclobutanol. Here en function, here in function. But you know, tell me, Nana, whenever alcohols are there, we are writing what? Ethers, no? But what about here? Whenever here unsaturated alcohols are there, I can write ether. Double bond here, CH2, OCH3. This is a unsaturated ether. Okay? You see here double bond is there, here also double bond. Here double bond. But here what is the function on alcohol function here? Ether function. That's why alcohol ether different. Means aldehydes are given, you can write unsaturated ethers also. Ketones are given, you can write unsaturated ethers. Cyclobutanol is given, you can write unsaturated ethers. Okay? Or not on this one, for this we can write cyclic ether also. Cyclic ether also. Like this. Here ring ether, here ring alcohol, here ring ether, These two are also functionally different, Nana. Like this, whenever aldehyde ketones given, you can write aldehyde, ketone, unsaturated alcohol, unsaturated alcohol, unsaturated ether, cyclic alcohol, cyclic ether. Now, like this, we can write different types of function group. Nana, aldehyde, remember, for aldehyde, these all are possible. Entrance point of these are very important. Okay. Similar way, acid and esters. Acid and esters, Nana. Acid, you know, like this, 4-carbon acid, butyric acid, 4-carbon acid, butyric acid, 4-carbon acid, butyric acid. Okay. Now I can write this is CH3, CH2, CO, OCH3, Nana. So this is a carboxylic acid. This is what about ester? Means here acid and esters are functionally different. That's why acid and esters are functional isomer. We can write one more. I will shift here OH, then OH here, CH2, 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 CHO. This is also formula same. That's why this is what here, hydroxyaldehyde. Here hydroxy group is there, aldehyde. Acid is different from aldehyde. Ester is different from aldehyde, Nana. Acid different from aldehyde, ester. That's why these two are also considered as functional isomer. We can write one more. Whenever aldehyde is there, you know, here hydroxy ketone. This is also hydroxy ketone, also functionally different. You know, whenever aldehyde ketone is there, you can write unsaturated alcohol, cyclic alcohol, unsaturated ether, cyclic ether. These all are possible. Means for this above functions also possible, Nana. Above also important. Okay, like this here, unsaturated ether. This is unsaturated ether. I can write cyclic, here OH, here OH. Cyclic, unsaturated alcohol, cyclic alcohol. We can write here ether, unsaturated ether. Here unsaturated ether, like this. Or this is possible, means you can write hydroxy ether. So these all are functionally different, Nana. These all are functionally different. Acid, ester, hydroxyaldehyde, hydroxy ketone, unsaturated diol, unsaturated hydroxy ether, cyclic diol, cyclic hydroxy ether, Nana. This is a thinking level you have to improve. Don't by heart, don't mug up these all. You have to identify the function, that is enough. They will give options. They will ask whether functionally different or not. You have to check. That's all. If functionally different, you write your answer. Functionally different, you have to write your answer. Okay, na? You got? Now, next one. Here cyanides are given. Then isocyanates. Cyanides and isocyanates are functionally different, Nana. Cyanide means RCN. Isocyanide means RNC. Functionally different. CN is different from NC. CN is different from NC, Nana. That's why cyanides and isocyanates are functional isomers. Next one. Nitroalkane, alkyl nitrite, Nana. New name. Alkyl nitrite. Nitroalkane, alkyl nitrite. Nitroalkane, alkyl nitrite. Okay, na? Now here RNO2 is there. Wherever NO2 is there, nitro. Nitro. RONO is there, alkyl nitrite. Here N is attached to carbon bond. Here oxygen attached to carbon bond. Lot of difference. Bonding. Here carbon nitrogen bond. Here carbon oxygen bond, Nana. That's why nitroalkane, alkyl nitrate functionally different. Functionally different. These two are also called as functional isomers. Next one, amine. I have given very clearly primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amines are functionally different. Amine. So whenever here, for example, here CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Here nitrogen having one side branch. This is called as a primary amine. Nitrogen attached to one side only, Nana. Nitrogen attached to one side, primary amine. Here next example, CH3, CH2, NH here CH3, Nana. Here you check. Here nitrogen having both side branches. This side branch, this side. That's why the amine is called as secondary amine. Secondary. Next example here CH3N. Here CH3. Here CH3. Amine is what? Three side branches, Nana. Here three side. మూడు వైపులా కార్బన్ తో బాండ్ ఉంది. మూడు వైపులా కార్బన్ తో బాండ్ ఉంది. That is called as a tertiary amine. Here NH2 function, here NH function, here N function. NH2 different from NH, NH different from N, Nana. So that's why these primary amines are given. Secondary you can write. Tertiary also you can write. Okay. Any amine, primary given, remaining you to write. Secondary given, remaining you can write. Tertiary given, remaining two. Like that, these three are functional different. These three are functional isomers. ఉంటారు 3 to 4 ఎవరు 1 to 5 ఉంటారు కంటిన్యూషన్ 4 to 5 అంటే బెటర్ 4 to 5 రమ్మ 4 to 5 అయింది 5 to 6 పెట్టుకుంటే నేనే అనుకున్నాను 5 to 6 సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఫిజికల్ పెట్టాలి సరే 4 to 5 పెట్టుకోమని now here amine 3 secondary primary amine tertiary secondary nana like this amines are possible. Okay na tertiary secondary primary nana amines are there. Next one here aromatic alcohol, nothing but phenol system, and aliphatic alcohol. What is the meaning? OH attached to aromatic ring. OH attached to aromatic ring. That is called as aromatic alcohol. Whenever here OH attached to normal carbon. You see, this is a normal carbon, Nana. This is a normal. Therefore, this is normal carbon attack means aliphatic. Here OH attacks to aromatic ring. That's why this is aromatic alcohol. Here phenol system, here aliphatic alcohols are given, Nana. Here phenol system, this one is given. Tell me answer. Answer, Nana. Both are functionally different. That's why these two are functional isomers. This is aromatic. OH attacks to aromatic ring. Here OH attacks to normal carbon. This is aromatic ring. But OH attacks to normal carbon. That's why these two are functionally different. These two are functionally different. These two are functional isomers. Okay? Like this, different functional isomers we can write. Functional behavior different. Those all are called as functional isomers, Nana. Okay? Now I will give one question. Write down. Compound molecular formula. Compound molecular formula C7H8O. C7H8O. Write possible isomers with the benzene ring. Write possible isomers with the benzene ring, Nana. Formula is a C7H8O. Formula is a C7H8O. How many isomers are possible with the benzene ring? Benzene ring compulsory. Try for that and tell me answer. All you have to try. Send me answer. Number of isomers, Nana. And every compound having minimum benzene ring. Siddharth, this Siddharth what? Sai Chandu 5. Siddharth, it's once you the question I am not right. Array nomenclature is there. You're right. Compound molecular formula C7H8O. Siddharth, you're right. C7H8O. Write possible isomers with benzene ring. Siddharth, over. Compound molecular formula C7H8O. Write possible isomers with the benzene ring, Nana. Srinidha, you have to send your answer. What is your answer? Shrestha 5. Satvika 5. Dilip 5. Varshita 5. Akash 5. Karthik 5. Vinisha. Varshini. Aditya, Jayant. So, Om Lakshmi. Neha. Srikar 5. 5. Balaji 5. Siddharth 5. Akhil Raj 5. Good. Bhavya 5. Akhil 5. Balaji, which volumes are? Array, check organic compound, Balaji. Sriram 5. Rakesh 5. Lakshmi Kamal 5. SR. Okay. Balaji. Okay. Over Karthik 4. No. So I will write examples. So just I told you first you write benzene ring. Benzene. Okay na? Then here formula 1 carbon extra. I can write just only told anisole. Now only have given anisole means we can write ardocresol. Ardocresol is there. I can write metacresol. Metacresol I can write paracresol. And here this is phenol means just we discussed aliphatic alcohol, benzyl alcohol. This is aliphatic, this is aromatic. These two are function isomer. Like this total isomers are possible, Nana, 5 ra. Keep in mind, all are important. 5 isomers are you got. Very clear, very good. Most of the student given answer 5. Those who have given answer 5 is correct answer. Answer 5 correct. Okay, na? Right. One more problem. Compound molecular formula. Compound molecular formula C4H8O. This is explains as what? CnH2nO. CnH2nO nana. Aldehyde ketone formula. Now write possible ketones. Write possible ketones nana. Ketones only, not all. Write possible ketones only. Possible ketones only, Nana. Possible ketones. Possible ketones. C4H8O. Okay, you got my point. Tell me answer. Answer. Compound molecule C4H8O. Write possible ketones. Answers. Number of ketones. Number of ketones. Mohita. Akanksha. Firasat Matin. Siddharth 1. Sneha 1. Satvika 1. Rahul. Ashwini 1. Vinesh. Sindhuja. Akhil. Satvik. Balaji. Akhil Raj. Lahari. Rohit. Akhil. Sresha Varshita. Karthik. Srikar. 111. Achha, only one structure. Okay. Jyotirmayi. Ignesh. Very good. So here 4 carbon I can write like this. Ketone means here CO. Here carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 nana. If you are writing it third carbon, this is 1, 2, 3 means both are same. Ketone means a CO8 middle carbon, not end carbon. If you are writing like this become aldehyde nana. My question is very clear. How many ketones? Very good. Only one ketone. How many ketone? Number of ketones? Only one. Nice. Number of ketones only one. Now compound, correct only? But answer something is there. Anybody expecting or no answer? Right, only one ketone, that is over. Compound molecular formula C4H8O. Write possible alcohols with one ring. Compound molecular formula C4H8O nana, same formula. C4H8O. Okay na? C4H8O. Write possible alcohols with one ring. Possible alcohols with one ring. So compound should have one ring and the function group is OH nana. You tell me answer. How many structures are possible? Answer. Answer. Okay. First here how many carbon? 4 carbon now. You write cyclic 4 carbon cyclic like this. Function group is OH nana. Count carbon number 4. Okay. Hydrogen 2 plus 2 4 to 6. Here 1 7, here 1 8. Over. Good. Next 3 carbon ring you can write like this. But we can shift the OH here. Again we can shift the OH here. That's all. No other. But I am asking very clear number of alcohols only. Number of alcohols only, nana. Okay. Number of alcohols. These are the alcohol with the minimum one ring. Next one. Clearly right. Compound molecular formula C4H10O. Write possible ethers. Right, nana. Possible ethers you have to write. Possible ethers you have to write, nana. So try for this. You write everyone. So I will come back within 1 minute. Okay, everyone should write and send me the answer with the diagrams.